My name is Mark Bawtree. I'm the head of Global Sales and ESG at Akila, based here in Shanghai in China. Basically, Akila is it's a very unique digital platform where essentially what we're doing is we're de-siloing all the elements of managing a building. So things like maintenance, energy, waste, cleaning, security, catering, all of these elements that are required within a building. Also aspects, so if you're a building owner, such as leasing, and also managing the workspaces, so tenant spaces as well. So what we're looking to do is have this all on one single source of truth, i.e. all on one platform. Well, it's actually a core aspect of the overall platform and business. So where we're using digital twin is to really help our clients get to that next level of visualization on their operation and performance of their buildings or sites, so they can make informed decisions on how to optimize their buildings. So where we're working is we have teams handling the building of the BIM models, connecting meters and sensors to those models for real-time data, also running simulations and providing AI optimization technologies. Basically, it means we can support our clients to make their plans for their short and medium-term goals for decarbonization through digitalization. So helping them to also plan them and also implement all of those elements. So types of customers, essentially anybody that that has a building or site that they would like to optimize. So we are working within a wide range of sectors, so industrial, commercial, retail, healthcare, education, catering, etc. So there's quite a wide range there of sectors to be able to work with. And essentially, anybody that wants to improve and save their costs on running of the building, and having that data on one platform enables us to report on that optimization. And where that really helps is for aspects like ESG, which is becoming a very hot topic globally. Being able to provide all of that data in one location enables us to be able to support and understand how they can actually report on their ESG findings as well. That's a huge topic. From what we see is the way digital twins are just being adopted by pretty much every industry in every area. It's quite fascinating to watch. From our side of the business with the building visualization and management side, basically one of the key areas is the role of simulations. So having currently, one of the issues we are finding is the level of data flow that's in a lot of buildings. And so we need to, one of the areas that's really growing up is that application of IoT sensors or being able to create smart meters or implement smart meters within those buildings. Really trying to get that building into as smart. And then what we can do is when integrated with the digital twin, we can then improve the accuracy and relevance of those simulation results. So these are some of the areas I think where there's a lot of technology and focus being put into, is really trying to improve the amount of data that's coming out of those buildings to be able to really improve and get that granularity available to the building owners, to be able to again make those decisions on how to really optimize and improve those buildings. It touches on the last point, so kind of quality and standardization of data input. Basically, we do a lot of brownfields. Most of our projects are brownfields. And so getting that accurate data, I mean, even, drawings, to be able to put into a digital twin. So we have, as I mentioned, sort of we have teams that enable us to be able to get all of that information together and be able to put it all together in one location. And that's, global. That's all the clients that we work with. We have all of these issues to be able to do, and then getting that information up and into the digital twin is obviously a key challenge. So essentially getting that client to the next level, as I mentioned earlier, of really being able to understand and see what's happening with their buildings. I think short term, obviously the IoT devices, sensors improvements, scanning device improvements, sort of really trying to look at decreasing the costs and enabling that data push. So enabling us to be able to build that full picture of the building itself. So short term, a lot to do with that technology, getting that information in. In the longer term, it's very much about using that data to be truly interoperable. So between the building to building, the digital twins themselves, the building to buildings, and the building to city aspect. So really looking at the full metaverse applications.